Guys, I'm super excited to talk about the Black Friday and Cyber Monday promotions and discounts. So what makes this whole list that I'm going to go through unique is I've actually used these products and I highly recommend them. Now, not only that, if you purchase any of these products I'm going to talk about, you're also going to get lifetime license to Divi University. All right, so let's start off with the first one here. So this is the Divi theme. Now, all you guys know, I've used Divi for many, many years, and this is a product that I highly recommend. So what is key here is if you purchase the lifetime membership, you are going to be locked into all the future updates. So you don't have to pay any more money to get your Divi theme updated. So this is the right time to actually purchase it. All right, so let's move on to the next one, Divi AI. Now, at first, this was more like, yeah, will this really work? But you know what? It is fantastic. I've tried it. Actually, they've added a new feature where you can actually do coding with AI. So this is really good. I really love this. So the link there is in the video description or on that page. And they also have other prizes you can win if you purchase it now. All right, so let's move on to the next one. Now, this time we're talking about Elementor. Now, I know you're probably thinking, well, Mac, you use Elementor and Divi at the same time. Isn't that a contradiction? And I've seen a lot of comments like this. But anyway, guys, you know what? Elementor is also a very solid page builder. I really love it. And if you want to test a different workflow, I would highly recommend Elementor. And they also have fantastic discounts and also Elementor hosting. All right, so let's move on to the next part. Now, this here is very important. So if you run a website, definitely you're going to need an email system on that website. And so far, I haven't used any platform out there or any plugin out there that does a fantastic job of doing email marketing and email automation. So this product here, Fluent CRM, is fantastic. I highly recommend it. And right now they have 40% off. So I've been using this since I switched from ConvertKit. I've never looked back. So it's close to about a year and a half, maybe 2 years now. I've been using Fluent CRM. It is fantastic. And I would highly recommend that you go for the lifetime deal if they still have it, because again, you're going to be locked into future updates for free. All right, let's move on to the next one. So this was Fluent CRM. The next one here is Tor LMS. Tor LMS is fantastic if you want to create an online course website. So there are other platforms out there where you can create all these online course websites, but this is next level amazing because it has a lot of integrations with Fluent CRM, which means when someone signs up for a course, they can get an automated email. If they finish a course, they can get automated emails and so on. So it is really good, and it is a very solid platform. In fact, I'm going to have a lot of tutorials where I'm going to be pretty much setting it up from scratch and setting it up in such a way that you can learn how to do it yourselves. All right, so moving on, we also have Wishlist Member. Now, if you want to create a membership website, then Wishlist Member is what you want to go with because it is a very solid platform. I mean, I think it's one of the oldest membership plugins out there, and I definitely highly recommend it. It is amazing. All right, so let's talk about sales funnels. So WP Funnels is the best funnel builder for WordPress. In fact, I would even go as far as saying it's the best sales builder out there, even better than ClickFunnels, because the process of building your funnels in WP Funnels is so easy. It's amazing. They have a canvas where you can just drag and drop all your steps and you can see all the stats on the page. This is amazing. So I highly recommend this for those of you that want to build funnels for your own websites or even for your clients. Next, let's talk about video players. And Presto Player is the best video player out there. It's highly customizable. It also has this Netflix feature where if you're playing a video and then you leave it maybe halfway and you come back another time, it pretty much starts off from where you've left off. I really love that feature, and you can also have a playlist. So there's so many things that you can do with it. You can even build your mailing list with Presto Player by adding a pop-up or even like a page within the actual video where people can sign up. It is a fantastic product and I highly recommend it. And again here, it has a deal which will be active for the next 4 days. Next, let's talk about the Astra Theme. So you may be wondering, why are we talking about the Astra Theme if I've just mentioned Divi and Elementor? Well, here's the thing. There are cases where you may want to use Astra because it has a whole set of features that the Divi theme doesn't have. But here's the workaround. You can use the Astra theme and you can also use the Divi plugin. So you have both experiences on the same website. I've actually done a tutorial about it, and quite a few people there really love the fact that they can choose Astra as their main theme and then use Divi, because Astra out of the box has many more features like WooCommerce integration, LearnDash, and so on. All right, so let's move on to the next one, and this is Fluent Booking. Now, Fluent Booking is a product that is not even like 2 months old, but I've tried it out. I've actually done a review, and it is a fantastic product. If you want to book meetings or appointments, Fluent Booking makes that process very easy. If they have the lifetime membership, I would highly recommend you go for the lifetime membership. This is a product which is solid, and this is also from the team that brought us Fluent CRM. They are very good, and they have all these constant updates to improve their product. All right, so let's move on to Fluent Forms. I know you're hearing Fluent. Yes, again, this is WP Managed Ninja. They are also behind Fluent CRM and Fluent Forms. So Fluent Forms here is a fantastic form builder. It even has conversational forms which make your forms really exciting and highly customizable. Now, all these products, Fluent Forms, Fluent CRM, Fluent Booking, they all integrate together really well. So let's say someone fills in a form, that can actually trigger an automation down the line in your Fluent CRM dashboard. So it is very good. And again, here it's 40% off. Now let's move on to hosting, and what I'm recommending for you guys is Sideground. They have been really solid, and pretty much they've updated their dashboard. So it is a very powerful platform for hosting your websites, and I highly recommend it. It's got 85% off. Finally, we have Bodyy Boss. So this is a software for creating online platforms. They also have an app. I haven't really tried it, but this is a solid company. They've been out there for a very long time. So if you want to build online communities where you have your courses, memberships, and so on, out of the box, this works really well. So I love Bodyy Boss. I've been promoting it for many years now. So again, it is a solid platform. So let me just mention this one more time. If you purchase any of these products that I've mentioned in this video, just drop me an email on mac@divuniversity.com, and I'll give you access to my Divi University lifetime membership, which means you can access all the courses, plugins, and any future things that I create on that website. All right, guys, thank you very much. Until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.